Now then guys, welcome to another episode on the Workhouse. Today we're going to be taking the 964 apart and hopefully putting it back together. We've got a little bit of paint to do, a little bit of stripping to do, a little bit of building to do. Boshki.
Extra, extra, read all about it. Hot off the press, brand new news, front page, who is this? All black on, real low key, take a guess. I stand out from the rest.
First and foremost, we have to take the headlight out. This lens then can come off and it will reveal all the headlight gubbins behind it.
No contest, I've been the man, I am him. Only fear God with the fear God I'm in. Been blessed, prayed up, amen. Now I'm getting to this money like a paper route kid. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it.
As you can see, we've got a little bit of a dent in the side of the car. And if you look around the corner, now I've taken the wheel off, you can see I've got those bolts to get to. And then dissect this section with a skirt.
They wanna make friends, talking about weed, that was never in the plan.
And then on this side, just got to undo these screws from there, and then the bumper will come off.
Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it.
A few more bolts, I imagine. Yeah, one there. And then obviously those two there, which will be a bit tricky to get to. This off. Once you've taken the fuel filler cap off, you will see that you need to take off the circlip. Once the circlip's off, you put this little rubber flap, take that off, and that on. I think it's not going to come off. Make sure you don't forget this one, folks. See it there? There's one in there. As you can see, there's one here that I've taken out, and then there's one there. How you get to that one, I do not know. What to do is take the door card off, because that means I then can get access to the bolt once I've taken the door off. I can't do that because the wiring goes in here and needs to be taken off. So I will do that next.
You held me back when I tried to move on from your life, so you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here, 'cause I'm mad.
As you can see, I've already taken the speaker out, so it gives a bit more vulnerability. And there we go. One door card off. Now just for the door. One window door frame removed. Now we'll just need to get the window out and the wiring done. There we have it. The door's off. As you can see, I've left the wiring. So what I can do there, I can feed that through into the door because there's no point taking it out of there. Because there's loads of wires and I don't want to break it. So all I need to do now is set the ring off, which I think should be straightforward. First of all, gotta get this off. Not sure about that one, but take it off anyway. There we have it, guys. One door and one wing completely removed off the car, ready for the brand new ones that are going to go on it. Just need a bit of paint and then a wrap. It's a bit wet because it leaked out of here. Also, this isn't quite where it should be. So I'm gonna have to get the hammer and dolly on that, give that a little tap. It's not as good as I thought that, mate. I didn't think that would come out any easier.
No, it's not very smooth, that, mate.
That was weird. It looked like about 95% of your hits were doing nothing, and there was about 5% that actually made it move.
Yeah, it's because I put all my effort into the last 5%.
Flexed it and snuck it out. There you go.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Have you got a bigger hammer then? Bit excessive.
It's not working, mate.
Ah.
You check the milk?
I did.
I ain't got time to eat, I'll be honest. What I need is a meal replacement drink. Can you think of any, Adam?
Whey.
No, what this one do? Because this is.
A few moments later.
Some rate slurpage going on there, Burke.
Just like movies as well.
I am very professional considering I'm using this, a tyre inflator. So here we have me Porsche 964 Turbo Wing, upside down, prepped and stripped. What I've got to do is basically get rid of all this surface rust because someone who dipped it in the first place, not me, actually didn't prime it. So get all the surface rust off, give it a bit of primer, small lick of paint, ready for wrapping. Quick layer of primer, maybe have a second layer, then a bit of paint. Not my first rodeo, mate. As you can see, I've sprayed this with exceptional care and quality.
Sounds right rough.
Like your house.
How do you know?
It's also still sticky.
Can't see big dirty handprint.
Yeah, it's because it's not even there.
Wet flat it, mate.
Porsche. wonder. It does now. You know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Can you imagine if that went in my ass? I think I've pumped it up enough. What do you reckon?
I think you've done enough, mate.
The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round. Round and round. All day long. At this point, this is where we are hammering the damaged area on the side skirt so we can get the door on and obviously have nice fitment. Everybody loves a bit of wood. This is where we are bringing the door back in and mounting it onto the car, ready for the wing to go. So, like an idiot, what I've done, forgot to put the door check strap in. There we have it. One Porsche 964 door mounted. As you can see, door gaps are pretty good. When that door latch is on, you smash it. Ta-da! So we've managed to get the front wing mounted to the car and we are just sorting the trims out to the bumper and the arch, getting that squashed in. This is where the door had to go on again because, like I told you earlier, I forgot to put the check strap in. But yeah, we managed to get it back in and we're good to go. Well, again, there we go. That is now the wing and the door on for the second time because I had to take the whole thing off for the fuel cap mechanism and the wire because it was frayed and broke and I couldn't get it in. But we're in now, so next on the job list is to take off the door mechanisms on the car. But take this off and put it on the other door and then we're good to lock. So, like a plant pot, I actually can't find the last part of the footage where the car is getting wrapped. So here is a video of me doing some donuts and now in a random road somewhere.